Looking to build a high-performance AMD-based PC? Let's dive into the GIGABYTE X870E AORUS Master motherboard and see if it's the right choice for you. The AORUS Master boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring robust heatsinks and subtle RGB lighting that add a touch of elegance without being overly flashy. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, and the layout is thoughtfully designed to facilitate easy cable management and component installation. In my experience, the inclusion of toolless M2 SSD heatsinks and the Easy Latch Plus system for PCIe slots significantly streamlined the building process, making it more user-friendly for both novices and seasoned builders. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its support for the latest AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, providing a solid foundation for high-end computing tasks. The dual-channel DDR5 support, accommodating up to 256GB with AMD Expo memory module support, allows for impressive memory overclocking capabilities reaching speeds up to DDR5 8600. This means smoother multitasking and enhanced performance in memory-intensive applications. Additionally, the three PCIe 5.0x4 M2 slots offer lightning-fast storage options, ensuring quick data access and reduced load times for your applications and games. However, it's worth noting that the audio solution on the X870E AORUS Master utilizes the Realtek ALC 1220 codec, which, while reliable, is considered a previous generation solution. This might be a drawback for audiophiles seeking the latest in audio technology. Additionally, the premium features and high-end components contribute to a higher price point, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious builders. Priced at approximately $500, the AORUS Master positions itself in the higher-end segment of the motherboard market. While it offers many advanced features and robust performance, it's essential to assess whether these align with your specific needs and budget. If you're aiming to build a top-tier AMD-based system and can justify the investment, this motherboard provides excellent value for its feature set. For more details and purchasing options, be sure to check out the product links in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: previous generation audio solution, higher price point. Pros: supports latest AMD Ryzen processors, high-speed DDR5 memory support, multiple PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, advanced connectivity options, user-friendly installation features. In summary, the GIGABYTE AORUS Master is a feature-rich motherboard ideal for high-performance AMD builds. If you're looking to invest in a robust and future-proof system, consider checking out the product links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.